Next up on the list, we've got eBay reselling. So typically what people do is they either resell stuff that they already own, that they don't use anymore, but technically that's not really a business. You're just reselling some of your old stuff to make some quick cash. And I mean, that's good. You should do that if you want some extra cash. Technically, you lost money because you're always reselling old stuff for less than new stuff. But I mean, right now it's good to like sell some stuff you don't use. You get some extra cash, like a few $100, and you're pretty happy about it. We've all done that. I used to like have all the books that my parents bought for me. I would just resell them. Like I'd read them, of course, but then I would sell them. And I made probably a few $100 doing that over the course of, my whole life. But by eBay reselling, what I mean is people go and try to find like brands like Supreme or whatever, Nike, Adidas, and then they try to get them for cheap and resell them for more. And because these are items that people really want, like especially like, actual brands that are popular and liked by most people, then you can make good money doing that. But I'm going to be honest with you, it's not a proper business. It is a side hustle. Like I don't know anybody, like maybe there's a few people who sure made like 100K with it, but like that's pretty much it. You're not going to become rich or you're not going to be able to quit your job just by doing some eBay reselling. And if you think you know better, then okay, sure, go ahead, go try it. At some point, you gotta make your own mistakes too. You gotta get burnt. As much as I tell people, sell digital products on anything because it's the best way to make money online. And that's why all the gurus sell courses, because digital products is the best thing you can sell. That's it. Like that is literally it. But I know that sometimes, just in the same way that you tell a kid, don't touch a hot stove, sometimes the kid is gonna have to touch the hot stove and realize, oh shit, I shouldn't have done that. Or maybe you need to go and try some, I don't know, dropshipping, crypto, or eBay reselling, and then you'll realize, oh, this is actually a lot more shit than I thought it would be. So if you want to make a few extra $100, resell your old stuff, maybe flip a few items if you manage to find them, but this has very, very limited potential. You might make a few $100 a month extra at best, but I would say if you're gonna put all that time and effort into something which is that limited, why not instead just do a proper business? Sell digital products, and with that same amount of work and effort, you could make 10 times the money. So for that reason, I'm going to put it in C tier because you can actually make money more predictably compared to investing in crypto, but it's not going to be a lot. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.